Okay. I definitely should have eaten. I definitely should have eaten before going on that trail. All right, now I gotta find somewhere to eat. If you're new to the channel, one second. Also, by the way, guys, I'm not weak. This is on top of me being sick. So I'm uneaten, I'm sick, and I need water. What's up, guys? It is currently day 4 of living in the Tesla, and we gotta get to some cooking. I'm going to cook in the Tesla without even getting out of the Tesla. I have an air fryer and a refrigerator back there. If you're new to the channel, you probably didn't know, you could power those off the Tesla. And this is a Tesla Model 3, by the way, the cheapest one you can get. This works with any Tesla, so it's awesome. First, let's wash our hands. From there, we can open up the refrigerator to reveal our protein as well as rice. Now, typically when I do this, I take the air fryer bin out and put it right here. And in the back, I'll grab my one-time use air fryer sheets. Then I'll start pouring the things in. And this is pretty much what it looks like, guys. So now it's time to put it in the air fryer. Just like at home, you're gonna load it up, press the start, and then set the temperature. Typically, I'm gonna go for about 290. 8 minutes is pretty good, I find, and then we'll start it from there. Now, it does get pretty hot because that is using some electricity and it needs somewhere to exhaust all of that heat. On my air fryer, the exhaust is out the back. So typically what I like to do is roll down the rear window. That's gonna allow all the heat to exhaust out, or if you're in the winter, it could be your free little heater. Big brain ideas. I have some water that I'll enjoy, some Pringles as well. Let me know what your favorite is in the comments below. My buddy recommended this one to me. And then lastly, of course, we need to bowl up. And just like that, guys, we're done. So we can go ahead and roll up the back window. Grab this out of here. Oh yeah, perfect temperature, perfect timing. Now, what I typically do is wait for it to cool down a little bit first and then place it right here. From there, you can quickly grab this out, woo, and offload it onto the bowl. Okay, I might have put a little bit too much in that time. Nice. And then we can just start eating. Legit perfect time, perfect temperature. I have an air fryer and a refrigerator back there. If you're new to the channel, you probably didn't know, you could power those off the Tesla.